How do mnemonics supercharge your last-minute revision? Imagine trying to remember a long list of facts right before an exam. It can feel overwhelming, but there's a simple trick that can make it easier. Mnemonics are memory tools that help you connect new information with something familiar. They are especially useful when time is short and you need to recall facts quickly. When you use mnemonics, you're helping your brain encode information more effectively. For example, creating an acronym from the first letters of key points turns a complex list into a single, easy-to-remember word. Visual mnemonics, like imagining a vivid picture for each fact, make the information stick better because our brains remember images more easily than words alone. Rhymes and songs are also powerful because they tap into your auditory memory, making recall more natural. Mnemonics improve your ability to retrieve information during the exam. They give your mind a mental shortcut, organizing facts into a pattern that's easier to access under pressure. This organization reduces the chances of forgetting important points, especially when you're nervous. Using mnemonics can also lower exam anxiety because you feel more confident about your memory. When you trust your memory aids, you're less likely to panic if you momentarily forget a detail. Another big advantage is time. Last-minute revision is all about efficiency. Mnemonics are quick to learn and apply. You can create a mnemonic in a few seconds and start using it immediately. For example, if you need to remember the order of the planets, you might use the phrase, "My very educated mother just served us noodles," to recall Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This saves precious minutes that you can spend reviewing other important information. Practical ways to use mnemonics include making acronyms from key terms, like homes for the Great Lakes, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior. Rhymes and songs can help memorize lists, such as 30 days hath September, April, June, and November. Visualization involves creating mental images that link to facts, like picturing a red blood cell for biology. Incorporating these techniques into your last-minute revision can turn a stressful cram session into a focused, effective review. They help you memorize faster, recall more clearly, and go into your exam with more confidence.